Hi, we're your watershed coordinators.
Today we had 18 community-based organizations touring Magic Johnson Park and Roosevelt Park.
It was an amazing day. We started off really early in the morning at Magic Johnson Park.
I live around the area in South Central, but I never visited the Magic Johnson Park.
Happy to be back at Roosevelt Park, where I visited when I was a child.
Today, we were with Council for Watershed Health to tour Magic Johnson Park and Roosevelt Park, two safe clean water program sites.
The beautiful part about it was, one, is the connection with all the different community-based organizations here, like ours, that are, in collaboration and conversation with public agencies.
The county and the engineers were able to come out and really bridge that education with us community advocates.
I feel like it's really easy to come to a park and not really know about these type of projects.
Lately, we've been getting a little bit more into water issues and learning more about water education. It was really cool to get an introduction through the perspective of stormwater capture.
Things like stormwater and park design are often kind of complex topics. You can't see a lot of the technology that's happening underground. It was cool to kind of get that behind the scenes look.
So both of the parks that we got to tour today are located within the Upper LA River watershed area. Roosevelt Park is actually funded in part through the Safe Clean Water program. They also were able to tap into county funding and Prop 84 funding to create a multi-benefit park project.
It's really educational to see how, we're using public tax dollars, money that's for stormwater capture and urban runoff cleaning, to be able to create these multi-benefit places.
These nature-based solutions, this urban greening, tree canopies, all of these beautiful things, exercise equipment, all the things that we need to make our community more beautiful, healthier, and so we can thrive.
Figuring out how to do it equitably and helping out our target communities and really improve the places where we want to recreate.
So it was a really informative way to kind of get to know how these kind of issues are being treated with innovative methods such as stormwater capture, and seeing how creative urban planning can be utilized in order to shape our built environment.
With a critical eye, we can always ask for more shade in our parks. Climate change is real. All these areas are going to be hot.
It's like rethinking the way we design things. I think continuing these type of tours are important because we're able to physically and in person see the possibilities that we can do of these type of projects.
It was cool to just learn about the different processes to incorporate community-based input into the planning and design of these projects.
I learned a lot about potential projects that you can create within a park.
If you ever get a chance to take a tour or get invited to a water tour like this, it's a great experience. You get to see what actually takes place in your community.
So I'm hoping that we can use some of these examples over to our own city in Alhambra Marine Park.
Not only was it educational, but it was a great opportunity to network with individuals from the county, other CBOs, and individuals that are really committed to a sustainable LA, our county, and really working with the community residents.
So I just want to thank, Council for Watershed Health, thank the county, and all our partners for being out here. We look forward to doing good work together.
Thank you for joining us today. It was wonderful getting to be with everyone and learning from each other and about what's possible in our communities.
If you're interested in having a project like this in your community, please connect with us. Or if you're interested in coming on the next tour with us, let us know.